0.
Hi there, this is NumberRoyale and I'm Saktivel welcoming Gugan, Kausalya, Isaac, Parni, Tanuj KP, Jeffy, Anand X, Hema, Abhirami Bala, let's take a look, Ratna MJ, Tejas, Sujata, and everybody else who's joining us. Welcome. We've got an all correct version of the match being played right now. Basically, it means that you should get everything right. We've got 9 puzzles. You got to solve all 9 of them right to be able to share the $3 prize. And of course, if you get any of them incorrect, you can use a life to jump back in. You can use 2 lives, and you cannot use a life on the last one. All right. So that's the basic rules for this particular match. And we have a riddle before we get started to give the stragglers a minute or so to get started. So here we go. 2 identical people are walking towards each other. Who would be the first to greet the other? 2 identical people are walking towards each other. Who would be the first to greet the other? All right. Maybe Eastman is writing these puzzles that I'm picking up, and and he or she seems to be getting, I guess it's a he, is getting it right, and the one in the mirror and the more polite one. Okay, congratulations, Eastman. And so we have everybody in. Let's get started. Question 1. Remember, this is the elimination match, so you just get it right. Don't worry about what the other guy is or gal is doing. You just get it right. 2, 3, and 6. The desired result is 5. Addition and subtraction are in play. 8 possible solutions, and all of them are equally acceptable and would move you on to the next puzzle. So we're collecting the answers now. Let's take a look as to what we got. 46 of you, 46 out of the 50 have given the correct answer, and 4 out of 8 possible solutions have been used. There was somebody who gave a unique answer. Let me take a look at what that is. 6 minus 3 minus 2 was the unique answer. All right, so great job. Let's move on to question 2. 55, 25, and 19. Addition, subtraction, and division are in play. How do you get 11 out of this? So there seems to be no room for division in this one, and there's somebody saying no one would greet. Reflection. So there are 42 of you have gotten it right. It was just a simple subtraction. Take the biggest number, minus 25 minus 19 gets you 39. So 42 of you have gotten it. Moving on to question 3. 6, 8, and 16. Desired result is 64. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. 64 from 6, 8, and 16. How do you get that? Looks okay. Yeah, there are 4 possible solutions. So I hope you find at least one of them to get it going. And Shri and Black Mamba are saying they got it. 33 of you. So we're down to 33. And 8 times 6 is 48, and that's the key. Plus 16 would have gotten you 64. 33 of you have gotten it. So if you want, you can use a life to jump back in. If not, let's move on with the 33 of you to question 4. 11, 16, 19, and 4. The desired result is 50. How do you get 50? With addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. And is it just a matter of is there any multiplication involved in this, or you just add them all up, you get 35? Yeah, you could have just simply added all these numbers and come up with the correct answer. 120 solutions, 9 of them were used by 31 players. So 31 of you have gotten it right, and let's see if anybody got a unique answer. Yeah, there's lots of you have got unique answers. So great job. You're thinking out of the box even for this elimination match. And let's see what question 5 brings. Decimals. And don't let the 5.592 intimidate you. 6.25, 9.8, 1.333, 9.125. Just addition and subtraction. We haven't thrown in multiplication or division yet on decimals. So let's see what kind of solution, how many out of the 60 possible solutions that you are giving. And a few of you are claiming that you have got it. So let's take a look as to how many of the 31 out of the 33 have gotten it right. So here we go. With question 5 out of the 60 possible solutions have been given. And there was a most popular answer with 26 of you of the 31 giving the same answer. So you're all thinking alike on this one. Question 6, 10, 7, 20, and 16. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. The desired result is 34. 8 possible solutions. And how do you get 34 out of 10, 7, 20, and 16? I'm trying to see. Some of you have gotten it. It looked like a little bit of a tricky one. So are we going to get some people? Are we losing? Oh no, this is bad. We are only 4 of you. So this was a tough one then. 10 times 70. 10 times 7 to get 70, minus 20 is 50, minus 16 is 34. 3 of you did it that way. And somebody's asking, how do you use lives? When the problem is done like this and you didn't get it right, you could just, you'll get a box that says, you want to use a life, and you say yes. It's as simple as that. All right. And even before that, if you're running out of time, there's a blinking yellow heart at the right side of the screen. You could click that, and that will also help you use the life. So you can decide to use it before time runs out or after the time runs out. All right. So 17, 16, 4, and 6. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. There are desired result is 23. There are 78 possible solutions, and I think this one is going to be an easy one. If you are able to solve question 6, you should be able to solve this in your sleep. It looks like it's just addition and subtraction. So you should be able to get 33 minus 10, which is 23, right? So let's see how many of you are in. Wow. So we've got 10 of you back in the game. We're back on the saddle again, right? I've got my cowboy hat. We're back on the saddle again. All right, let's get going to question 8, which is fractions. 7/4, 3/4, and half. How do you get 1/2 out of 7/4, 3/4, and half? Addition and subtraction are in play. So obviously you have some subtraction to do. And let's see, 7/4, 3/4, and half. And there are only 4 possible solutions, and there are 10 of you. So Scrappy 434 is complaining that you got it right and you are eliminated. Scrappy 434, can you check after the match what version you have, whether you have an update that's needed? So it's if you had an older version, then you may have some issue like that. So please check it. And so 8 of you have gotten it correctly, and 2 out of the 4 possible solutions have been given. So congratulations to the 8 of you who are moving on to question number 9, the final question, algebra. X, 2x, and 7. How do you get desired result of 8 from x, 2x, and 7? and what values of x would you be able to do. So I'm trying to see how I would do this. So, and it has to be an integer, and a couple of them are already claiming that they have won. I guess this was too easy. We may have to maybe move it to an earlier question, right? Maybe we'll move that question number 6 to the final question. So 9 of you, wow, 9 of you have gotten it correctly. And congratulations to each and every one of you who got it right. Let's see, 4 out of the 16 solutions were used. I think x equal to 1 was what you would have used. Tejas is already singing goodbye and he's gone. And let's see who the 9 winners are on the number royals for this match. 9 people winning 33 cents apiece. Chacha, Shri, Siddharth, Toast, Aji, Ritish, Jay Steets, Pok Pok, and Selva are all winners for this match. Congratulations each and every one of you who played. I'm glad you're all staying safe and healthy. This is Saktivel signing off, reminding you, without numbers, you're not even a zero. Be a hero, play Number Royale every day. See you tomorrow.